Hey guys, 2005 Toyota Tundra here. Running boards. They're like these aluminum running boards and they get pitted and discolored a little bit. So what I did the other day is I did pressure wash these really good to get all the loose stuff off. And make sure we do just to clean them up a little bit. We'll repaint them, get some color on them. Let me show you how we do it. Okay, first thing I want to do is give them a good cleaning. This is just a rag with some lacquer thinner on it. And like I said, I did pressure wash these actually yesterday. But I want to get any grease or road grime off of it extra. Make sure they're nice and clean. Any last little flaky bits. I think that should do it pretty good. Now these little silver brackets back in here, I don't necessarily want to paint those. What we're going to do with these is we're going to use our black texture coating on it and make them all black again, just to retexture them. We'll make them solid black. We won't have any of that silver left on there. So let me get some paint and we'll show you what we'll do. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some old playing cards here. Kind of like when we do our interior repairs. We use these to mask off what we don't want to get any paint on. So I'm just gonna put a couple of these on each of these brackets here. It'll just shield those little brackets getting any paint or very much paint on them. Let's get some texture and get it colored. Okay, so I'm just using my texture coat again. I make sure it was nice and shooken up. Just gonna put a couple of light coats. The hard part's gonna be getting back around there a little bit. Again, this is an older truck. We just wanna make them look nice again. Now I'm just focusing on the aluminum part. Get some color. Again, light coats. I'm not gonna try to paint it all at once. Just a little spot here. Get that cleaned off there a little bit. So we got from front to back. What I'll do is, this stuff dries fairly quickly. So I'm gonna come back up to the front. So I went a little heavier there, so it didn't quite dry yet. So I'm trying to get back around the inside of that curve. And now I'll do a nice, maybe a little bit heavier coat. And then these plastic steps, I'm just gonna do a real light coat over those. Not too much because I don't want them to wear off. But it'll give everything the same consistent texture. See, I'm holding the can fairly far away. So I want that pebbly finish on there. Probably going to be about it for our texture coating. We'll let this dry and set up. And we'll put some top coat color on it, and that'll be it. Well, some good looking running boards. Okay, this setup is dried pretty good. It's dry to the touch. That's all we need. We don't want it to cure completely, so we want the next color coat to bond to it. I know everybody's gonna be asking, oh, but you got overspray on the body here a little bit. That's fine. It's not a big deal. We'll wipe that off a little bit lacquer thinner on a rag. Sometimes it's quicker and easier just to do that than to try to mask everything off the right way, the wrong way. Well, it's my way, so it's the right way. So we're just gonna put some color coat over top of all this, just to seal it all in, seal that texture coat in. Not real heavy, just a nice light coat. That's it. We'll let her dry up. Okay guys, so you can see this is pretty much our finished product here. As far as that little bit of overspray we got here and there, I just take a little rag with some lacquer thinner on it. I'm just gonna wipe that rocker panel off a little bit. You see that comes right off right now. It's still fresh. And we'll remove our playing cards. You see we didn't get any paint or overspray on our brackets, so they still look fresh and clean. That's about it. Thanks for watching. If you would have did it differently, let me know in the comments. Hopefully this helps somebody. Save you a lot of money. Can of texture guard or chip paint. Make them look brand new again. Just for the record, 05 Tacoma. And yes, we did both sides. Thanks for watching, guys.